Why do they exist?
Fuck! The DLC! Why did they have to add these?
Wait, these came with the DLC too?
I think so.
Do they fall into the blind category?
I don't know. That's fine. I'm carrying. I'm support Acrid.
Support what Acrid?
Yeah, dude, I'm support Acrid. I'm dying. Bro, I'm dead. Dude, look at me. Support Acrid. Acrid for real.
Watch this. Boom.
That was satisfying. Oh my gosh. The little zoom.
Larvas.
I don't know. They're
Zuzu pets.
They're larvas. I just thought that they were like those like wheel things from Kirby.
No, they're larvas.
They're the wheel things from Kirby. Do I go get that void cradle? I feel like I should, but I also don't want to die. You know what? I will.
It'd be really funny if they you know. Oh hey. This looks pretty free.
Oh my gosh.
What you doing, broski? Dancing? Reparee caution. Look out!
Oh
Larvas!
shit!
You're welcome.
Shit! Oh no! Don't die on me. I will literally kill you.
I need to run. Like literally. Uh-oh. You can deal with them, right?
Maybe. I don't know yet. To be determined.
No! Larvas!
Zoomy zooms!
We don't even have the artifacts on and we're already being destroyed.
The zoomy zooms. The zoomy zooms tried to kill you. Oh no, it's the
No, why so many? Oh, this really is a boss. Oh.
It is. It's just wisps. Oh no, you're dead.
I died and beat. Okay, beat.
That's fine. Support Acrid, you know? Support Acrid is life.
And your forget me, please.
Exactly.
That one just jumped off.
That's how much it hates its own self. That's how much larvas suck. You wanna go, bro? You wanna go? You wanna go? Never mind, I take it back. Please don't hurt me. Oh no! Don't kill me! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm actually crazy with it though. Oh no! What?
You sound like Shang.
I did it! I did it!
Damn it.
Oh! Oh my god! Support
Nice.
Acrid, what can I say? I got an executive card. Let's go. Oh my god, the zoomy zooms!
No!
The zoomy zooms! Gosh, don't die to the zoomy zooms. That's essentially the same thing as dying to a boomer. It's a zoomy zoom. The zoomy zoom is gonna kill me. Never mind, I'm better. You know I'm support Acrid and all.
Dude.
Oh my god, the zoomy zooms! I hate the zoomy zooms! I hate them! Why do the zoomy zooms have a void essence or void essence? Oh my god! Stop spawning zoomy zooms! They aren't cool. They aren't trendy. Stop it. You aren't cool, game.
Trendy, hot zoomy zooms in your area.
No! I don't want the zoomy zooms! That sounds like a disease.
Have you heard of Zuzu pets?
I'm sorry, Grandma, but you got zoomy zoom.
No! Thank goodness for my elixir. I'm joking, I absolutely hate it. Ha ha ha. Okay, I was about to say.
You're about to say that zoomy zooms suck.
How dare you? I love zoomy zooms.
Please get out of my house. You are not cool. Please exit my house. Please and thanks.
You think if we joined a duo's Risk of Rain 2 battle, You think we would win?
No.
I do.
Oh!
Oh!
That is just instant death. Oh my gosh. Do not touch that.
ATGs are just not fair. Oh, there. Hi.
Oh my gosh, my shift ability just sent him flying. Except for
Yeah, sure, I'll take a purity.
Purity?
But not a purity, I meant I'm so fixed on getting a purity, dude. I'm not sure if I want the purity though, because I want to take purities, but like, it would completely screw over my because if I got purities, I could constantly spam walls,
You could.
and that makes it really funny. If I find a purity printer, I'm sorry, but yeah, I'm using it. I just want to spam my flamethrower, and I want to spam my walls.
That's fair. And your balls. Wait, what?
Oh, ego.
Okay. Do you prefer normal Risk of Rain or like normal runs like Eclipse or like just normal Risk of Rain, or do you like Simulacrum more?
Simulacrum.
Okay, good. I do too.
It's just always more fun in my opinion.
Yeah.
I mean, sure, the classic one is also cool, but like,
I feel like the
mode.
lesser one just like it gets boring after a while. But this one, like, I'm basically always entertained.
Oh, what if I get a purity? Why am I so fixed on purity? I'm sorry, I love spamming walls.
And I love spamming balls.
I can say you're welcome.
I'm damaging. I'm damaging.
I was gonna release a video on purity and call it purely skill, but
Purely skill. Oh my gosh, they are all. I forgot that I have my ability that sucks them.
wait, did we finally kill the magma worm? Oh my goodness!
Wasn't even. Like,
Oh, I'm gonna die! I'm gonna die!
No, no. Shit, this might actually be bad for me because I'm having a hard time killing things, which means that I'm dying. Okay, okay. Oh, wait.
Let it die, let it die, let it shrivel up and...
Oh, wait.
Come on, who's with me, eh? Just heal. Heal from them. Heal from them.
Oh,
Oh. Let's go! Yo, oh, and they award us with a wake of vultures. Are you kidding me? Actually, you know what? It's
Look
not
what
too
I
bad.
got. I can
head
jump.
stomper. I kind of need that more, but you know,
Yeah, no.
that's a lot of imps. Imposters. Oh, I'm also immune to fall damage.
Well, you have to press a button in order to be immune.
Well, I also have Transcendence. So, my bad, I take 1 fall damage.
Oh, dang it. You take 1, I take 0.
Well, I can totally not take any damage if I want to, like, just...
Yeah, but you gotta press a button. That's low-key kind of cringe, mine.
Well, you gotta press space to get in the air.
Low-key kind of cringe. Go
It'd be
ahead.
really funny if the Jade Elephant was made you unable to jump because elephants can't jump.
They can jump, just not very high.
No, they can't. It's scientifically proven elephants can't jump.
Yeah, well, I can jump.
Don't be so hard on yourself. So that head stomper you had,
What about it?
I think I might have needed it more.
Jealous much?
Country Genius,
Country
country market. Country home.
Crunchy?
Simply better.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying. I should not take those glasses. You should take the glasses.
Oh, thank you. You flatter me. Oh, they have glasses. Come to think of it.
Look, anybody in the Zoomy Zoom community sucks. And they should not be cared about.
There are these toys called Zuzu pets, and every time you say Zoom Zoom, I think of them.
Zoomy Zoom! Zoo!
There's nothing up here, so I'm just gonna chill up here. You can, like, fight them all down there. You got that, right? I'm just throwing bombs down into the middle of nowhere, hoping they're hitting something. Oh no, it gave them broken watch it. No. You can take that because I physically can't do anything with it.
I don't know what it is because I didn't look at it.
It's a fungus.
Nice, more regen. Oh, why is there only flying people? I hate this. Fuck.
It's you.
It's me?
Yes.
You just killed me? I'm just gonna vibe up here. You having fun down there?
Yep. Way too much.
Here, I'll help you. I'll draw them in.
Thank you.
No problem.
Okay, let's. But if I do find an aspect, I'm picking it up unless it's one of the bad ones.
Which is, how many of them? All of them?
Half of them. Oh boy. Oh boy.
No!
Oh yeah. They're T-posing.
Well, my cube at home is no longer needed.
No, it's needed because combined with the cube from the store, it's just completely broken.
With the cube from the store?
I don't know, dude. The Walmart cube.
The cube from home.
No, you have the cube from the from home. I have the cube from the store.
Oh. No, that's the actual cube. That's the cube that everybody wants. That the kid was asking for. You have the cube.
We are the least movement characters in the game.
Actually, Captain exists.
Shut up.
No. Make me. We are vibing right now.
We really are.
Don't hit me.
Oh, even debuffs deal more damage when I'm closer to them? Do I get tri-tip or more focus crystal?
Tri-tip.
Tri-tip.
Oh, it's wave already. Or wave? I'm dead!
Already gone, wow.
I always die at the bosses! No!
No, I'm probably gonna die here too.
Use your
I need
cube at
you
home.
to die so I can take your stuff. Not you, this guy. Oh no.
No!
It's the end.
Well.